What's going on, everyone? Welcome to Investors Domain. Today we're going to talk about waiting in trading and why it is the most important or one of the most important skills that a trader can have. Before we proceed to the video, I want to let you guys know about a Discord that we have. It will be posted in the description of this video, so check it out. It has all really good informations. You can chat with other traders, ask questions, bounce ideas, and also the broker that we use, it's posted on there. It's a really good broker. So right now they have 100% matching deposit bonus and up to 1,000 leverage. So check it out. It has good information. Ask questions, chat with other traders, and yeah, so check it out. Before we proceed to the video, let's take a look at the simple anatomy of a candlestick. So you have here a bullish and a bearish candlestick, and now you can see the green, that's the body. Okay, so and this green right here, this is a bullish. So this is where it opened. So this could be a minute, this could be 5-minute, or this could be a 15-minute candlestick. So this is where it opened, and then this is where it closed, and it went all the way up here, and that's the highest point of that candle, and this is the lowest. Now when you see this candle, this means there are more buyers coming in. Buyers are more aggressive. Buyers are more in control of the trend. You can see consecutive candlesticks like this. So again, this is a bullish candlestick. Now this one on the right side with the red body, so this is the bearish. So this is where it opened, this is where it closed, and it went all the way up here. That's the highest point that it got to, and then this is the lowest point that it got to. So this means when it opened, it went high, it went all the way up there, but sellers are more in control. More sellers are coming in than buyers. So this caused it to move all the way down, and then it closed below the open. And now you can have different types of candlesticks. It could be just red, green, but you have to take a look at the overall trend of the chart. So that's a simple anatomy of a candlestick. Hope this helps, and let's proceed to the video. So now let's go back to the video here. So we're going to take a look at right away an example here at US 30. This is on October 24. So as you can see here at pre-market at 8:30, I believe there was a news that came out, and this caused this to spike. Now as you can see here, so from like 8:30 to 9 o'clock, it's just consolidated here, and you can see here this level that I drew here, just 46, 9, 10, 92. Take note of that, because that is a key level going into the market open. And why waiting for a candle to close is most crucial thing that you can do in trading, especially if you are day trading. So as you can see here, pre-market here, and by the way, this is a 1-minute time frame. I use this to execute my trades. I also use 4 hours, 1 hour, 15 minutes, and 5 minutes to determine the overall trend, and just have all my confluences aligned with my trading decision. So again, going back here, you can see this level here as we went into the market open. This candle right here, the first candle at market open 9:30, you see a move down, and then it wicked. It did cross this level, but it never closed below it. And then you have a following candle here. It's same thing. It didn't cross it, but it never closed below this. So if you were looking to sell, you would have got stopped out. But if you waited for the candle to close, then you have a good risk reward trade and really easy a trade for you to base on. So right here, even if you just waited for confirmation for this green candle to form, and this candle right here is a confirmation of, we are going into the other direction. Now this could be an easy fake out, but then again, you have a really good risk reward ratio here. So even if you waited for this green candle to form, and then you could have entered here or somewhere here, and then you still have a really good trade. So this is the importance of waiting for a candlestick to close. It's gonna save you a lot of money. It's gonna save you a lot of headaches. So that's all for today. Thank you for tuning in. Thank you for watching the videos. Please like, subscribe, share, and check out the our Discord in the description. It has all good information. And let us know in the comment section if you have any questions or just looking for information. Thank you. Have a good day.